Morgan's riding an airplane too, Daddy. He just likes the horn. Look at him. That little smirk, he thinks he's big stuff. It's like you're in a parade. There he goes. Say, Daddy should get a kick out of this. We're at a little carnival at the casino. They've got a car show today and a carnival for the kids. Hey, Dad, you can start your own business. Where is he?
You gotta have more patience than I got.
Probably enjoying that.
You like me being a bus driver.
Shut up and sit down.
Morgan!
Say next year we won't get by with Morgan being in one without Liam being in one.
Oh, that thing turns, doesn't it?
Yeah. Look at his face. Funny.
I'm not going very fast.
Oh, look at, they've got different steering wheels on each one. I didn't notice that.
It's pretty neat.
You have to have tickets, I think, even for the game.
Yeah, you do. It's
Where do you get the ticket?
one ticket per game.
Up there.
Did you buy some?
I bought enough for 2 rides for him. The tickets for the games are $1 apiece. What do you think of all this, Mr. Liam? What do you think about this, huh? So you're just hanging out. Where did brother go? He's still going around. He loves anything that makes him feel like he's in a parade.